Class 10 Biology. Third chapter Genetics. Good morning, students. Today we will continue the same chapter Genetics. Dear student, in the first day or beginning of this chapter, I had discussed about a great scientist, Gregor John Mendel. He proposed the laws of inheritance. Today we will discuss the inheritance law in detail. So we'll start today's lesson with a new topic, Mendel's Mendel's experiment on inheritance. The basic principles of genetics were discovered for the first time by Gregor John Mendel in the mid-19th century. Mendel was an Australian monk and he conducted breeding experiment on garden pea, that is Pisum sativum, out of sheer interest. Breeding experiment means cross or pollination between different species or similar species to get the new product or the same product. So he, with a sheer interest, carried out various experiments on garden pea, that is Pisum sativum. Initially, he selected 40 different varieties of garden pea, but out of different breeds, why he select only garden pea? Reason: many varieties were available in alternative forms of a character. The topic is Mendel had selected garden pea. Why he selected garden pea? The reasons are: many varieties were available in the alternative forms of a character. For example, garden pea can be available either in the form of tall plant, short plant. Their position of flower may be the axial or terminal. That's why he selected garden pea to carry out breeding experiment. Varieties were available in pure forms that breed true. Pure forms means if a character contains two alternative forms, two alleles, both the alleles if are similar, such characters are called pure character. Peas are normally self-pollinated, but self-pollination could be prevented by removing corresponding reproductive part. Suppose a flower is said to be bisexual, containing both parts, that is male part as well as female part. But by applying some methods, for example, this flower contain female part as well as male part. If we want to prevent this flower from self-pollination, we should remove the male part with the help of a scissor, and this method is known as emasculation. So what is emasculation? Removal of male part with the help of scissor from a bisexual flower only to prevent a bisexual flower from self-pollination. That's written here. Peas are normally self-pollinated, but self-pollination could be prevented by removing corresponding reproductive part, male part stamen and the female part carpels of the flower, and could as well be cross pollination artificially. So, how do we carry out cross pollination? By taking pollen grains from another flower with the help of a brush and can spray over the female part. Thus, cross pollination can be completed. That's why, out of different races, species, Mendel selected only garden pea for his breeding experiment. Initially, he had select 40 different variety. Out of 40 different variety, he only selects 7 variety, and all the 7 variety are said to be pure variety. See what is pure variety. Every character have two alternative forms like this. So we have 3 characters. Out of these 3 characters, the first one and the third one is said to be pure variety because these two varieties are said to be homozygous. Means both the alleles are similar. When both the alleles are similar, such character are called as homozygous character or in their homozygous condition. The second one allele is represented by capital T and another one is represented by small t. Such variety is known as heterozygous or impure variety. So Mendel for his experiment select only pure varieties. Mendel took varieties of pea plants showing 7 pairs of contrasting features. Mendel crossed pure breeding varieties first by taking only one feature, that is monohybrid as well as dihybrid. Means Mendel carried out 2 different types of experiment. First is known as monohybrid and second is known as dihybrid. Before we have discussed that Mendel took varieties of pea plants showing 7 pairs of contrasting features. See here, these are the 7 characters with the different alleles. The 7 characters are color of flower, seed colors, seed shape, pod color, pod shape, flower position and flower plant height. And each character have 2 alternative form. Flower color may be purple or white. Seed color may be yellow and green. Pod shape may be round or wrinkled. Pod color may be green or yellow. Pod shape inflated or constricted. And the flower position is axillary or terminal. And the last one, plant height may be the tall and short. Here all the first alleles are said to be dominant. Means if we cross a purple color flower with the white color flower, the first generation will bear only purple color flower because in all the 4 progeny this purple color flower will dominate over the white color flower. So to get the result, Mendel conducted experiments, and the experiments are 2 types. First one is known as monohybrid and second is known as dihybrid. So see what is monohybrid. A cross between 2 pure breeding different varieties of an organism taking the alternative traits of one single character. See how? See the example. Cross between pure tall and pure dwarf variety is called monohybrid cross because this pure tall and pure dwarf are the two alternative forms of a single character, that is height of the plant. So when we consider a single character or when we cross two different alleles of a single character, such cross is known as monohybrid cross. Getting all of you? Once more. When we cross two different alleles of a single character, here capital T that represent pure tall and small t that represent dwarf plant. So these two alleles related with a single character, such cross is known as monohybrid cross. So this is pure tall and pure dwarf. Now see, what is dihybrid cross? A cross between two parents taking into consideration alternative traits of two different characters. In the monohybrid cross, it was one single character. But here in the dihybrid, it is two different characters. So see the example. If a cross takes place between tall plant bearing red flower with dwarf plant bearing white flower, such cross is known as dihybrid cross. Once more, this variety contain two different character. One represent height of the plant and second character is the color of the flower. On the opposite side, small t represent height of the plant and the small r represent color of the flower. And such cross, when two different characters are taken into consideration, such cross is known as dihybrid cross. And Mendel, on the basis of monohybrid and dihybrid cross, he proposed three laws that are law of dominance, law of segregation and law of independent assortment. Once more, on the basis of the experiment conducted by Mendel, on the basis of experiment maybe monohybrid or dihybrid conducted by Mendel, he proposed three laws of inheritance. These are law of dominance, law of segregation and law of independent assortment. Understood all of you? In the next class, we will discuss in brief about the three laws. Okay, bye. Have a good day.